Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use consistent buttons across your landing page or even web apps. So, for example, what I'm talking about is this. So, we have a header button over here, which is kind of a dark blue, and hero section, which is also kind of dark blue. I see some, especially like beginner designers, doing some other color over here. So, something like this blue, and having some other color for the rest of the call to action buttons in the landing page. That's not really appealing because the user of your when a user comes into your landing page, they'll associate this button as a call to action button, this color as the call to action button subconsciously, and whenever they see this color button in the page, they know, okay, that's a call to action button, we have to click that. So make sure it's consistent. So for example, in this page we have a blue call to action button and a blue one over here, and similarly, yeah. So the whole page everywhere will have the same call to action button. So we have a blue join waitlist button, that's a call to action, and again we have a same blue join waitlist button. So it should be as similar as possible, and you know it's in the whole landing page you should make sure it's as similar as possible, and it should be a primary color, your brand color, or anything that you have, and it should be easily visible, it should be easily clickable, and it should be consistent. That's the main thing. So for example, something like this page is, this has a header and a call a hero section. So when we have a call to action, which is usually one call to action button in the header, the hero section should also have a similar call to action button. So, you know, the user will associate, once they have landed in this page, they'll associate this button as the one to click wherever it is in the page. So, yeah, that's my tip for today. Uh, Make sure you use similar call to action buttons throughout your landing pages. It will, really help with the click through rate. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.